Welcome back to Market TV Show. The market is up today. What happened yesterday was completely reversed as it looks. Look, S&P here up 0.78%, closing higher than yesterday's high and overtaking. It's now looking like it's building a bull flag, right? We got a leg up here, sideways consolidation, and we get follow through tomorrow. We're going to challenge the recent highs right there, about 2% away. Looking at the indicators here though, let's take a look. Oh, there's some confirmation here with the MACD crossing green today. NDX, Nasdaq closing in today very strong at 1.36%. Remember yesterday we had this potential reversal pattern here. Well, today no follow through, so puts a big X on the bearish case, or even a correction down to the green line here. Looks like it wants to go another day tomorrow, but do be careful because sooner or later a correction can come out of nowhere with a red candle like this and maybe like this, a big one that comes down out of nowhere. Let's see, Dow Jones. Dow Jones now back up green, but still inside the previous bearish candle here. It's found support on the green line again, coming up to red line resistance. If we can close above it, just like this one here, but stay above it and have some follow through, then we can challenge the gap fill here and then the recent highs. And yeah, it's looking bullish again. The only thing left that the bears have is the VIX that I can see here. Mentioned yesterday, like here, this candle. Sorry about that. Let me turn that off. Mentioned this camera-ish candle here, and the day following that, we had a big move up. Now we had something similar, about 3 candles this time that have a bull wick, right? But then this today, no follow through. So another down day, this pattern will be invalidated. Especially if we close below the 200 day, and then we're going back to pre big sell up VIX, and here is when volatility will be crushed. Looking at XVI, the biotech sector here, very bullish, all-time highs, making new highs and looking like it wants more tomorrow. Looking at healthcare, another big sector, trading sideways. Once it breaks this sideways consolidation here, either up and down, is going to be a big move. My guess is up since the market is going up. XLF, the financial sector, yesterday was looking bearish, looking like it has breached the trend line, now has recovered it. This might be a good opportunity to scale in some longs for financials, and the target would be the 200 day, the red line, just like here, back here. XLK, the biggest and most important sector. Again, see this reversal yesterday? No follow through. Now green again. Now that's very bullish because all the people who are short now is now forced to cover, and now everyone's long again. Okay, looking at the FANG stocks. This Apple, about the same story with XLK, the technology sector, big green update. But note that when you look at the RSI, you see that there's divergence building, or there's lower highs, and we're making higher highs. So sooner or later, we're going to see a correction, but we just don't know when yet. But don't get complacent. Amazon, no divergence like how I pointed out in Apple right now. Green candle overtaking that previous day red candle, very bullish. Looks to have another green day tomorrow. Netflix, Same idea as Amazon, no divergence in the RSI, all good signs. Facebook looking higher again, crossing bullish on the MACD here. Some divergence building here. That's going to be, see how these are lower highs. And then, but here we have slightly higher highs. So this is not as strong among the FANG stocks. Google, same story as Facebook, not as strong, but looking higher in the near term. Microsoft looking higher, just like Apple. Tesla, a lot of people, everybody wants to know Tesla. Tesla have profit taking day. I personally wouldn't go long until we see the high of that break. This could come down another day or another sideways leg. Take a look at how overbought we are in the RSI. We're in the 80s region right now. So risk to reward to the long side is not as strong as the other ones. Nvidia, maybe a better pick. This is one of the biggest semis here. Just a straight line up right now and start momentum seems to be building. FXI, take a look at FXI. This is the China large cap ETF. Had a big move 2 days ago. Had a profit taking day. Now back up higher. This is very bullish because we beat the previous high here, and it has been on a downtrend, right? This was the high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and now we have a higher high than this high. So a slight higher high. If it breaks this high right there and we close above that high with conviction, then we shall challenge this high and then the all-time high. I think this was, yeah. What? Sorry, gotta zoom back even further. That's the all-time high. But that will be the target right there. And that's about 18% away. Some of the stocks that could participate in this rally, BABA is the big one, 9% today. Looking very strong on the daily. Looks like it wants more for the upcoming days to come. Here's not a large cap, but maybe a mid cap here, a small to mid cap. China Mobile, see how it closed above the 50-day with a tail right here. I think we're gonna move up higher. Maybe get this gap fill here. Baidu, bullish, not as bullish as BABA, but once we break that high, we're gonna continue higher. JD.com, again bullish again. So a lot of these China names are getting a lot of bids. International news, and over in the China side is now it's gathering a lot of interest from buyers. Another news-driven stock today was Twitter. Twitter, see the big, huge volume bar. A lot of institutional money came in. The headline was that they were going to build a subscription into style service. Don't know the details. But now, because of today, we're closing above all the major moving averages, right? So the trend is back bullish with a news catalyst. Although it didn't break the previous high, it went above it, came back down. I think we're going to have some sort of consolidation before we move higher again, but we can just go higher one more time. But eventually, I think this is going to break because Twitter has been on a correction for a while. After this move up, we've just been chopping up, down, up, down, up, down. And now once we break above this line, this area here, then we challenge this area, and then find that little area there, then we got momentum to hit the all-time highs and then beyond. But one day at a time. All right, that concludes today's video. Hope that you trade safe and happy trading big money.